Look out below! Whoa, Moe, watch out!
Give me that yummy gummy. I'm Gus the Gummy Gator.
Hey, you little gators. Today we're gonna make a giant cardboard candy machine. Alright, check out all our candy. We got Mike and Ike Mega Mix. Yummy. Some Reese's Pieces. Skittles. Hot tamales. Spicy food. Alright, we're gonna need a lot of cardboard. I think this should be enough. Wow. Cardboard's pretty heavy. Wow. Let's see. Let's go get some tools. Whoa! That's all right. We'll just try again. This looks much better. Just needs a little more fixing. And then we'll be ready to serve our candy. Now we need to make our door where all our candy can come out. That's not working too well. We're gonna need a lot more help. Time for our power tool. All right, it's perfect. Now all of our candy can escape from the candy machine. Let's check out the other side. Yeah, what you think? I can't get out. Thank goodness I'm not a candy. Now we're gonna add a great big old slide to our candy dispenser. Looking good. No, wait a minute, there's still some loose parts. This is gonna be the most sturdy candy machine ever. Much better. Now let's add our candy. All right, we got all our candy supplies. Now let's see if our machine's gonna work. We're gonna send down all the candy. Look out below. Wow, look at that. It worked. All our candy landed in the bucket. Oh no, there is still some that made a mess. Rats. Guess we better go clean that up. Candy cleanup at the candy machine. Wow, what a mess. I really like my candy machine, but we can't be making a mess all the time. No, look who it is. Hey, Moe, how you doing? Wow, you like my candy machine? Why don't you stay right there? I'll test out the candy machine. And I'll send you some candy. Look out below! What you think? Whoa, Moe, watch out! Moe? You all right, Moe? Hey, wake up! Well, I'm glad you like the candy, but wow, look what happened to the candy machine. I know you're sorry. Hey, come back! All right. You can help me clean up. That'll make everything better. Then we gotta build a new candy machine. Hold on, it's easier with this thing. All right, Moe, this looks much better. Thank you for helping me clean up. All right, and now you can help me make a new candy machine too, right? And you're gonna need some tools. Here, take this thing. Perfect, let's go. All right, this is gonna be the best candy machine ever. What you think, Moe? What? You don't like it? No, you got something better? No, it's wonderful, Moe. Wow, had no idea you had such skill. Engineering school? Alright, well, this looks like it's almost done. We just need to work on the inside a little bit. Come on, let's go. Wonder how we can build this thing. This must be where the candy goes. Whoa, this must be where it comes out. First, we need to add some ramps. This is gonna help our candy come out of the candy machine. There's one. Looking good. Now all the candy can go down this slide and go out of the candy machine. Looking good. All the candy's gonna make it out perfect. Next, we need to make our handle. This is how we can get the candy in and out of the candy machine. All right, it works. All right, our handles are working just right. Time to add one more piece to keep our candy inside the machine. This candy's not gonna escape unless we want it to. Looking good. Now it's time to add our candy. See if it stays inside the machine like it's supposed to. First, let's add some Skittles. A little help, please. Yeah, you. All right. Perfect. All the candy stays where it needs to. Let's add some M&Ms next. Next up, M&Ms. Hot tamales. Reese's Pieces. And Mike and Ike. We're almost done. Now we just put the front cover on our machine. All right. Oh, wait a minute. How are we gonna know which candy's which? I know. Let's get some signs. You're all set. No, we're gonna need a top for this. We don't want the candies to accidentally fall out. No, that wouldn't be any good at all this hard work. Let's make a top. All right, that ought to do it. We've got our top in place. Now let's check out the candy machine, see if it actually works. Not like that other candy machine. Let's try a hot tamale. Whoa! Well, it kind of worked. Let's try that again. Let's try the Reese's Pieces. Peanut butter and chocolate goodness. Let's put our cup right about there. Here we go. Oh, rats! Are we out of candy already? Ah! Yeah, well. Wait, it's perfect. Oh yeah. Where's Moe? He needs to check this out too. Hey Moe, come on over here. Hey Moe, how about you try the hot tamales? You don't like spicy food? No, it's all right. It's candy. Tastes good, I promise. All right, 1, 2, 3. Wow, your candy cup looks even better than mine. Yeah, engineering school. It's got nothing to do with this. Why don't you try another candy? You do like chocolate, don't you? All right, perfect. You're getting to be a real professional, Moe. All right, I want to try the Skittles. Let's see if we can get the rainbow Skittles to appear in the cup. No! Rats, I made a mess. Yeah, well, still good for eating. Well, hope you had fun, Moe. Thanks for your engineering skills. Hope you had fun today, little Gators. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
If you had fun today, click my other videos to see me and my yummy gummies. Click on the red button to subscribe to watch more of my videos and my yummy gummy adventures.